Hi everyone, so today we'll learn how to get your Groq API key. As you can see, currently I'm on google.com. Simply type here Groq and search for it. It will be very first website. You can see it is written here groq.com. Simply click on the link. This is the home page. Now you have to click on start building here on the top right corner. You'll get this sort of a layout, and here it is asking me to create an account or login. I'll simply continue with Google. Here you can provide your Gmail ID and login. I'll skip this part. Now once you're logged in, you will get this sort of an interface. Now simply click on API keys. So I already got an API key here. You can see. Let's create one more. We need to click on create API key. Give it a name. I'll make it free and simply click on submit. So this is my API key. I can copy it by clicking on this button, copy, and you can see it is written here, copy it now, as we will not display it again. So you better save it in a text file or wherever you want. Let's click on it. So it is copied. Let's paste it in the notepad. So this is my API key. Close it. Now if I want to delete this API key, I can click on this button. If I want to change the name, I can click here. I can make it free to submit. You can see the name is changed. If I want to delete, just click here, then click on revoke key. So I hope you understood how to get your Groq API key. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.